Iaka online portal jongka Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act ban penrung kerteng no ia barok kitrayeng bat kibriu ki Nongshongwai Hapoh Jylla la pelai Paidbah atau menteri rang ba ka Jylla konrat kongkal sangma henne ka sengi palei kata ha ka pratarik unailor arajar arpuar hayojana bhavan. Ia gani ka online portal on sedang Pyntreikam haswa ya ki nyotli kentot jong kanong ba Shillong ki ba kentup ia kanong Rim Hills kalapalang kanong mensong kanong ra kapok se karyat laban pat kwa dingling. Ha ketika Jingshngain menteri rang ba aku mukongsan ulai itu ba Jing Pyntreikam ya kini kor digital kanirap omtang ban pentikna ya Jingshngain jong barok ki Nongshongwai Henry kan longru kum kalat sentiat ya ki breu dagi bor jong sarkar ki ban pej perman bat ban le AA kat kum Jing tip balalum da kini kor online. Ka Jing temu jong kene ka longru ban khanglat ya ki riu ki ngatiar bat ki leno ba kinomla ban penlong jakari dengan Hapoh lengba kene ka portal. Bat ban lakru ban pensisa ban tek kendon ya ki Nongshongwai ki Nongshongwai ha ki Jing Hapoh ke Jylla ong menteri rang ba. Ha kene ke Jing penlai Paidbah ya ke web portal jong ke MRSSA lai don langru UMLA ke Mausen Ram uba HM Shangpliang u Chief Secretary ke Jylla uba DP Walang u DGP u Dr. LR Bishnoi ke Deputy Commissioner ke East Khas Hills District ikong Isa Wanda lalu uba Timothy Dekar bat kiwe-kiwe. U menteri ki kampo ying uma lakmen remboi ulong ba Jingshngain jong ki Paidbah kadai ke bakam kongsan bat yaro ya ke Jingshim kya jong ki dor barsinong ya ki sinjam nak banta ka Jingshngain jong ki Nongshongwai hala ki jong ki shnong ki tau la ban kedeu hang ne ba sarkar Jylla kalawan ra ya ke Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act 2016 da ka jing temu ban pentikna ya ke Jingshngain jong ki Nongshongwai ke Jylla da ka ba bisyar bania ya ki bergi Nongshongwai Hapoh ke Jylla Meghalaya. Kum ke sinjam ban Pyntreikam ya kene ka ain ka sarkar Jylla rangkat ke NIC Meghalaya kalashim ya ke sinjam ban penwan dur bat chena ya ke online portal khenang bagi Nongshongwai na du kitrayeng bat ki Nongshongwai kin penrung kerteng yela de haswa ke Jing pentikna na ki bor chenong.
We had a meeting with the CRPF today in the secretariat, and as you are aware that the CRPF has been here in the state of Meghalaya for a very, very long time. And they have been camped in different temporary locations. And the CRPF for many years has requested the government of Meghalaya to give a permanent location and a permanent camp to them. And because this permanent location was not given, the CRPF different battalions and companies have been kept in different parts of the city and the state on a temporary basis, but which has extended for a very long time. And hence today we have decided and in fact handed over the allotment of 10 acres of land in the new Shillong township area next to IIM for the CRPF to have a permanent camp in the state of Meghalaya, which will further facilitate the process of shifting the temporary camps and taking the different CRPF personnel from those temporary camps to the permanent camp that is being the land which is being given to them. And in the process, we also discussed regarding the shifting of the camps in certain locations where there had been a lot of demand from the public also, like in the areas of Maulai. So those discussions also were done, and this process also will start. And as they finalize and as the approval from Government of India, from MHA comes for the taking over of the land which has been allotted by us, the process of also shifting as well as constructing the permanent site will start. Apart from that, we have also discussed that especially in Maulai area, in the camp that is there next to the Maulai police station, that we will further, once this shifting process takes place, we also discussed on how the land can be utilized to have skill or entrepreneurship training facilities and centers, and different art and culture centers also are being planned in that area. So all these discussions had taken place, and we had a very productive meeting, and we're hopeful that very soon the approval from MHA will come for the taking over of the land by the CRPF, which has been allotted by us today, And today, in a very important meeting, the government of Meghalaya has handed over the allotment land, the letter of allotment to the CRPF.